So we just have a medium-high pan. We're gonna add a little bit of bacon.
So this is where we're really getting our flavor from today.
A little smoky and a little texture to it. And
any specific type of bacon that you'd like to use?
so this is just slab bacon that we diced up, and it's a hickory smoked.
Nice.
With this, we're just gonna let that render, and we're just gonna let it cook until it gets light brown.
Not super crispy, just kind of give off some of its fat.
You don't want it crispy like bacon you're gonna eat for breakfast.
Right.
You just want it to that point where it starts to turn brown, where it starts to get crispy, but it still has that soft texture inside.
The sweet spot.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, so we're gonna leave that go, and we're just gonna add a little bit of minced shallot.
Like this one?
Yep.
I've said it before, but every single chef who comes on the Chef's Kitchen uses shallots. I think a great tip to a home cook who wants to cook more like a restaurant chef is just stock your pantry with shallots.
Absolutely.
They go in just about everything: vinaigrettes, sautés, sauces, soups.
All right. All right, so you can see that's at the point where we're going to start adding the other ingredients. We're just going to add a little bit of shallot to it. And we're just going to add some raw, all I did was I peeled Brussels sprouts, so we're going to just add the Brussels sprout petals to this.
So pretty, and you're going to let those wilt down.
Yep, and we're not gonna cook them too much. We're just going to coat them in that bacon fat and the shallots. We're going to let that go. And we're going to finish. So the Brussels sprouts, the bacon, the shallots. Just going to add a little bit of, again, chopped parsley.
Yep, you love your
Very
parsley.
mild.
So just
fresh
a little
ground
salt and
pepper. And a little more. Not too much salt. You have the bacon in there that has plenty of salt in it. We're just going to finish this with a little bit of fresh squeezed lemon juice.
It's nice.
For a little
brighten that
acidity.
up, cut through that bacon.
Yep.